On the NSA Multifunction Qualification Plus tester, you'll find the Certi-Lite copper cable test. Let's take a look. So we'll start by going into cable test, and I'm going to connect my NSA to the near end of the cable. I've already got my NSA remote terminator advanced link identifier on the far end. So as soon as I connect, I get a live wire map, and I see I've got remote number 3. Remote number 1 is included with the base model K30E. The kits that are K60 and higher also include remotes 2 through 8, and you can get those as an accessory. I'm going to go ahead and run an auto test. And once my auto test is completed, I'll see my test summary. I can see the length. I'm set for meters. You could be set for feet. We can look at all of our information here. We see that we've got a pass. Our wire map looks good. I can go into the test details and look at things like DC resistance, which also on NSA, in that Certi-Lite test, you do get the DC resistance unbalance measurement, which is good information to have for power over Ethernet. We can look at plots like near-end crosstalk and return loss, things that you typically would see on a certifier. That's because the Certi-Lite test uses the same required test limits that are used for certification, but we're only doing it from a single end. So you're seeing the same type of test information. So it is qualification rather than certification. But that is Certi-Lite on the Network Service Assistant. And don't forget, once you've completed your test and saved it, and you've offloaded it, you can use the Test Data Pro PC software to go ahead and create your PDF report. And the PDF report looks very much like a certification test. As I mentioned, we're using the same required certification test limits, but you're seeing it from a single end. Please visit our website at www.aem-test.com for more information.